What's up, y'all? I'm back again with another flawless face, and today I'm going to be doing a soft glam on my client with a little pop of shimmer, so let's just hop right into it. Before I started recording, I already went ahead and prepped her face with some primer. I used the e.l.f. Putty Primer, which has been my new favorite product so far. You should go and cop it, it's really good. I want to tell you guys a quick funny story. So me and my client both just had a baby, and our babies ended up doing the same exact photo shoot. I thought that was so cute and random, so I just had to share that.
I was like, is this my baby? I'm like, oh my gosh, she's cute.
Hey, yo. Are you serious? This look exactly the same, and they look exactly the same.
Yes. And when I seen this one, I fell out. I'm like, that's my
oh
baby.
my god. When you had her?
November 12th.
Look at that. So cute.
Oh my, I gotta have these babies.
Oh, they did the
like
same poses.
Literally.
Alright, now on with the look. Since her face is primed and ready to go, I'm going to go straight in with some pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to start outlining her brows. I'm going to outline the bottom and the top of the brows, then start filling them in at the tail. Notice how I extended it just to where the eye naturally ends in the outer corner. This elongation enhances the eye shape and gives it a subtle lip. Everyone's eyebrows are different, so you want to take your time to achieve that desired length. Now for the ombre effect, I'm going to use my brow pencil to outline and fill in the beginning and midsection of the brow. So you want to take your pencil using very light hair-like strokes, focusing only on the front of the brows. Now take a spoolie brush and gently blend them into the darker part of the brow. This technique creates the perfect ombre brow that looks natural and well blended. Just remember that light strokes are key for a natural look. To clean up the brows, I'm going to take a flat and round concealer brush to apply concealer. For the bottom part of the brow, I'm using the Milani Concealer in the shade 155 and 165. To blend the product out, I'm going to take a thick concealer blending brush and press the concealer seamlessly into the skin until it's all blended out. Once the concealer is blended with no creases in sight, I'm going to set it immediately with setting powder. You want to be very fast with setting the concealer after blending because it can start creasing or drying, and that will ruin your whole look. I'm going to do a very simple look on the eyes today. I'm going in with some pigment from my Black Radiance Dark to Deep Contour Palette for the transition shade, blending that into her crease as well. Next, I'm going to add some gold and olive green shimmer directly on her lids. The exact shades I'm using are from the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's Place. The shades are called Zuri and Egypt. After the eyeshadow is done, I'm going to draw a wing on her lid. And now it's time to conceal the top of the brow. I'm gonna use a little bit of that concealer mixed with her foundation shade. The next step is to apply the foundation evenly all over her face, then apply some concealer and blend everything out smoothly. To blend out the concealer, I'm going to use a sponge from e.l.f. It's a little damp. I'm just going to use that to blend right underneath her eyes, and for the outer parts of the concealer, I'm going to use my foundation brush, which has a little bit of product left on it, so it's going to blend out seamlessly into the already applied foundation. After the foundation and concealer is blended, I'm going to set it with powder, then move into contouring her face. To contour her cheeks and nose, I use Juvia's Place Bronze Duo palette, both dark and deep dark. For blush, I use the blush palette from IOC Cosmetics. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now, you should already know my style when it comes to the bottom lash line. I always go in with some black gel liner to the waterline, and then I take some dark brown eyeshadow to smoke out her bottom lash line. I personally like to set the face first before I go in with any form of highlighter, because I feel as though if you apply highlight before setting the face, the highlight is kind of subdued and you can't really get that shine effect that everyone desires. Now onto the lips. I used LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany to outline her lips. Then I applied matte liquid lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Poet. And then I added some gloss to her lips from Silken Galore in the color Barb. And then I added some clear gloss to the brown lip liner. She does have on individual minks, but I am going to take a little bit of mascara to define her lashes a bit more to the bottom and a little bit to the top. Here is the finished look, super cute and flawless. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty content. Until next time, stay blessed and I'll see you guys on the next upload.